Check this out, guys. I got an Arkin Carambola right here that I got at Lara Farms last week when I also bought a Miami guanábana, and it's throwing new shoots right here. So talking to Julian, he mentioned that this is one of the trees you can keep small, and it's a heavy producer, and also you can put it in an area that maybe doesn't get sun all day, and it'll do well, it'll still fruit. So this is a great option for your backyard right here, and went ahead and got myself one. So looking forward to planting it. Just wanted to show you Carambola right here, star fruit. Looking forward to a lot of production from this tree right here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. God bless.